Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Settings and tap your name at the top. You must know your device passcode and have two-factor available. This confirms it's you. Once in Password and Security, choose Change Password. If prompted, enter your current device passcode to unlock the option. This step prevents unauthorized changes and links the new password to iCloud and Apple services, so make sure you're on a trusted network before proceeding. Once you tap Change Password, authenticate. Either enter your device passcode or a two-factor code sent to a trusted device. Now type a new password that's unique, at least 8 characters, and includes upper and lowercase letters and numbers. This improves account security. Re-enter that new password to confirm accuracy, then tap Change or Change Password. After confirmation, Apple updates your account credentials across services. Make sure you remember the new password or store it in a secure password manager. After changing your password, you'll be asked to sign back into iCloud and other Apple services on each device. Do that now so syncing resumes. Make sure to update saved credentials in your browser and password manager to avoid repeated prompts. If you can't change the password because you don't have access to a trusted device or phone number, visit iForget. Apple. Or contact Apple support for account recovery. If recovery is slow, check for account recovery emails and follow prompts carefully to regain access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.